Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem we're asked, if the sine of x is equal to a, which of the following must be true for all values of a? And we have four options here, and this isn't a problem where you can do some calculations to figure out your answer. What you have to do is realize the trick that they're looking for you to pick up on. And that is, if we have a right triangle, right? Pretend that's a straight line. We have this right angle right here, and let's call this x degree angle, right? The angles in this triangle are going to add up to 180 degrees, right? So if we call this angle y, then x plus y plus this angle, which is 90, have to add up to 180. And if we subtract 90 from both sides, then these will cancel out and we'll get x plus y is equal to 180 minus 90, which is 90. And getting y in terms of x, subtracting x from both sides, we have y is equal to 90 minus x. And so we have a triangle, right, where we have the right angle, we have x, and we have 90 minus x. And let's just say the side lengths are b, c, and d. If we're saying the sine of x in this case is equal to a, then the sine of x is going to be the length of the opposite side to x, which is b, over the hypotenuse, which is d. And then we can compare it to these other values, all right? So the cosine of x is going to be equal to c over d, right? The adjacent side over the hypotenuse. The sine of 90 minus x is again going to be the opposite side over the hypotenuse, but this time the opposite side is c over the hypotenuse is still d. And then we have the cosine of 90 minus x is the adjacent over the hypotenuse. The adjacent to this angle is now b over the hypotenuse is d. And what we can see is that the cosine of x and sine of 90 minus x are equal, and the sine of x and the cosine of 90 minus x are equal. Right? It doesn't matter what the side lengths actually are. For any b, for any c, for any d, this is going to be true. So we're asked if sine of x is equal to a, right, and this is equal to b over d, then cosine of 90 minus x is also equal to a. Therefore, this is also true, and C is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.